Alright guys, today we are tackling a rug that has clearly seen things. Honestly, looking at this black hole of dirt, I'm pretty sure it's not a rug anymore. It's a living, breathing ecosystem. Let's hit it with the pressure washer and see what we're dealing with, and oh my god. Look at that jet black water exploding out of there. It looks like we literally struck oil in the middle of the workshop. If you ever feel like your life is a mess, just look at this rug. You're doing great, I promise. Time to bring out the heavy artillery, the satisfying soap avalanche. Look at that thick foam coating the surface. This rug just got sent straight to a 5-star luxury spa. Now, the real workout begins. Scrubbing and more scrubbing. Shout out to the guy doing the washing, because who needs a gym membership when you're wrestling 100 pounds of wet, muddy fibers? This is what peak performance looks like, folks. The dedication is real. If you thought we were done after one pass, you haven't been paying attention. Here comes the plot twist. We flip this bad boy over and... wow. The backside looks like a crime scene. The entire floor is covered in pitch black sludge. But our cleaning master didn't come here to quit. He's basically saying, like, you can hide the dirt, but you can't hide from this pressure washer. Honestly, there's a life lesson here. No matter how much negativity tries to sneak up on you from behind, keep pushing forward. Round 2 of the deep lather. But notice the difference this time? The water isn't looking like toxic waste anymore. We're finally getting that pure, clean white foam. And look at that. The original light gray color is actually peeking through. This is the ultimate trust the process moment. At first, everything looks messy and chaotic when you're trying to fix a problem, but if you keep grinding, the true quality always shows up. And there it is. Look at that insane transformation. From an absolute dumpster fire to literal showroom perfection. It looks so soft you could sleep on it. Moral of the story? Nothing is ever too far gone to be saved, whether it's this absolute disaster of a rug or a bad day you're having. Just keep scrubbing. If you found this transformation as satisfying as I did, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what we should clean next. Catch you in the next video.